How to cancel PayPal recurring payment. So here what I've done is I've just logged into PayPal. I'm going to hover over my name and then we want to go to account settings. So here you will see some different options. It might be a little bit different for you. For me, it's under payment preferences. It could be under financial information for you, but click on payment preferences or financial information and scroll down until you see the section for automatic payments. Now, if you don't see it, you can search for it right here in this screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on manage automatic payments here, and it's going to load up a list of all of the different payments that we have active. And here you can just show active, show inactive, find the one that you want to cancel, select it here, and then you can active, status active. We can click on cancel your future automatic payments, and we can just select this option here and it's going to be canceled. So that's how you remove recurring payments on PayPal. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.